How to crop images in Photoshop, a step-by-step guide. Adobe Photoshop has long been one of the most commonly used pieces of image editing software around. You can do a lot with Photoshop, from well-known tasks like image resizing and color adjustments to things you probably did not know you could do, like using it to identify fonts or handle basic math to save on time. Having dozens of ways to perform various tasks means there are some big common mistakes that can be made when using it, but as long as you know what you are doing, Photoshop can be just as useful as many of the alternative options out there. Cropping or trimming the edges of an image to reframe the composition, excise unwanted elements, fix visual into a specific aspect ratio format, etc. is about as basic as an image editing task can be. Performing the action in Photoshop is essentially the same as it would be in any other image editor, but this is Photoshop we are talking about. So while you can still simply crop an image can be done with it, you can use a multitude of other options and features to do a fair bit more than that if you want to, but let's start with the fundamentals. Basic cropping. If all you want to do is crop an image to fit a specific size or frame the subject in a particular way, it's a very simple process. One, open an image in Photoshop and select the crop tool to crossing ls with a diagonal line between them shown above. Second, click and drag the crop tool over the image. Press enter or return on the keyboard to crop using your selection. Third, you can click and drag the handles on the corners or edges of the cropping area windows to adjust things to your liking. Liking and dragging from inside the cropping window also lets you move it around. 4. Use the crop details in the control bar at the top of the screen for finer adjustments, like setting a specific aspect ratio, swiping width and height values, or manually entering the desired width and height numbers in their associated text fields. 5. Click the overlay option button to choose from a variety of cropping guide overlays like grid, golden ratio, etc.